When it comes to protecting your home and ensuring the safety of your family, every detail matters. From sturdy doors to advanced security systems, homeowners in Dallas go to great lengths to secure their properties. One often overlooked element of home security is the choice of windows. While many homeowners focus on locks and alarms, your windows can also play a crucial role in securing your home. If you're looking for a window solution that provides better protection while enhancing the overall look of your home, awning windows may be the perfect option. These windows offer unique benefits that make them a top choice for Dallas homeowners who are concerned about security. In this article, we'll explore how awning windows can improve your home's security while providing added benefits like ventilation, privacy, and energy efficiency. A secure design with limited access points. One of the primary advantages of awning windows when it comes to home security is their unique design. Unlike double-hung or sliding windows, which can be easily pried open from the outside, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward. This design offers a higher level of security for several reasons. Firstly, because awning windows open from the bottom, they create a tight seal when closed, making it difficult for intruders to pry them open. The hinge placement at the top prevents the window from being forced open easily, providing an extra layer of protection. In comparison, traditional windows with side or bottom openings can be more susceptible to break-ins, especially if they lack proper locks or security bars. Secondly, the ability to open awning windows at an angle makes them harder to access from the outside. Intruders would have a difficult time reaching in through the window, even if the window is slightly open for ventilation, which makes them a great option for homes in Dallas where home burglary is a concern. Enhanced ventilation without compromising security. The awning windows are designed to open outward, allowing for natural airflow into your home without sacrificing security. Unlike traditional casement or sliding windows, which may need to be fully open to allow airflow, awning windows can be opened just enough to let in fresh air while still maintaining a secure seal against the outside world. This means you can enjoy ventilation and breathe fresh air without worrying about leaving the windows vulnerable to outside access. This is especially valuable in Dallas, where the weather can vary, and fresh air is often preferred over using the air conditioner. Because these windows can be opened at an angle, they also provide some protection from the elements, such as rain. You can keep the window open during light rain to allow airflow while still keeping your home dry. This feature provides peace of mind, knowing that you can maintain airflow without sacrificing security. Better protection against weather and intruders. Dallas can experience unpredictable weather, including strong winds and storms, particularly during the summer months. Awning windows are well suited for this type of climate, as their outward opening design helps them stand up to heavy rain and wind better than traditional windows. When closed, awning windows form a tight, weatherproof seal, preventing rain, snow, and dust from entering your home. This makes your home more resilient to extreme weather conditions, such as hailstorms or wind gusts, which can sometimes be a concern in the Dallas area. Keeping your home protected from both weather and potential intruders makes awning windows an excellent choice for security and protection. Privacy enhancement. Privacy is an essential aspect of home security, and Awning Windows can help you achieve that. Their top-hinged design ensures that the open portion of the window faces outward, rather than inward, providing a level of privacy that other window styles don't offer. This is especially beneficial for homeowners who live in neighborhoods with close proximity to other homes or near public areas. Because awning windows open at an angle, they create a higher wall of glass that faces outward, allowing you to let in light and air while keeping the interior of your home less visible to those outside. This helps maintain privacy, particularly in spaces like living rooms, bathrooms, or kitchens, where you might want to control how much of your home is visible from the street. Durability and low maintenance. Another benefit of awning windows is their durability and low maintenance nature. These windows are often constructed from high-quality materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum, making them resistant to wear and tear over time. They are built to last, and their sturdy construction means they are less likely to become warped or damaged by the elements. In Dallas, where fluctuating temperatures can put stress on windows, awning windows provide a long-lasting solution that requires little upkeep. The sealed design also minimizes the risk of air leaks, keeping your home secure and energy efficient while reducing the risk of damage from external elements. Increasing home value. Upgrading to awning windows can also increase your home's market value. Their modern appearance, combined with the security, privacy, and weather protection they offer, makes them an attractive feature for potential buyers. Many homeowners in Dallas prioritize homes that have upgraded, secure windows, and awning windows can make your home more appealing to buyers who are looking for energy-efficient, secure, and low-maintenance options. Conclusion. Enhance security and comfort with awning windows. Awning windows are an excellent choice for homeowners in Dallas who want to improve home security while enjoying benefits such as better ventilation, increased privacy, and enhanced weather protection. Their unique design makes them difficult for intruders to access, while their ability to open at an angle ensures you can enjoy fresh air without compromising safety. Additionally, their durable construction and low-maintenance nature make them a reliable and long-lasting option for homeowners who want to enhance both their home's security and overall value. If you're looking for a window solution that prioritizes security without sacrificing comfort, awning windows provide a perfect balance. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading the current ones, consider the security benefits of awning windows as a way to protect your home, your family, and your peace of mind.